I showed you this before. I brought this to you before. So see. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute. I have been MIA. It's just because I was doing a few things in the background, business-wise. It's cooking, so I'm not going to disclose that just yet. When it's all said and done, I will let you know. But today's video is sponsored by Janet Collection. They actually drew me out of my hole because I was so busy with stuff, and then I received this from them, and I thought, oh, actually, the lockdown is over. I can get my hairdressers coming and fix this for me. But it's even crocheted. I could have done it myself, but I thought, let me pamper myself. I got her to come and fix me up. This is the Janet Collection Nala Tress 18-inch, and I got it in color 1B. So this is it. I used 4 packs. Was it 4? I used 4 packs on my hair, and I'm loving it. It's so lightweight. My thing is lightweight, so I love it, and I can put it in so many styles. That is the thing. Very, very simple. I'm going to actually pause here and say, if you haven't already subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe. I'm coming back in full force. Okay, I'm going to bring you some lovely content. It's crocheted at the back and then single plaits. My hair was put into single plaits and fed into this. And what else did we do? Well, so I have been busy all in all, but thank you very much for 12,000 subscribers. I appreciate you all so much. Everyone who is subscribed to my channel, thank you. And let's go and check out how we got this done. I mean, immediately the lockdown was lifted, I called my hairdresser and we booked the appointment, and she came to sort me out because I was beginning to look like a scarecrow. But hey, thank goodness I'm all fixed up. Let's go and check this out. It was so easy to do. It didn't take us more than 2 hours to do. So yeah, let's go.
Yeah, no, you ain't no psycho. You're not like the others, no. No changing behaviors. Not sure how to act around you. So colorful and bright, yeah. I wanna be a 9 to 5. You made me come alive, babe. I wanna be the time of your life. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about nothing else. Making it happen, yeah. Cause you're a winner. I'm not gonna fall down. This ain't my final round. Hey, drinking Annie in the corner. I don't wanna be alone. Hey, sitting looking like a loser, but I don't wanna lose ya. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about nothing else. for a while or forever. Come change my life. Let's go for a ride. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride. Yeah, I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about nothing else.
So with this hair, I can do so many styles. So let's see how many styles I can get done. Okay, I'm just getting a ribbon, so I can put it, leave it like this, and it's so respectful. It just stays in place. And two, let's see what else I can do with this. So to go to the gym, I can either hold it up like this, right? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Because it's just so stringy and whatever that is called. I don't know I can't remember the word I want here. So I could do this. It's easy to style. I can do this. Right? Okay. Style 2. I can do this. Put everything up. Like hold it all in a ponytail. I'm not gonna hold it, but you can hold it all in a ponytail like this. Put a big ribbon around it. Let me see if I have. So this is how I normally style it when I'm at home, when I have to quickly get some dinner prepared or get things fixed around the house. I just put it in this rough pony like this. What else can I do with it? I could also just take little bits of it. I mean, this is one of the rough ones that you can just easily do. If you're watching, I would love for you to subscribe, click the notification button, leave me a comment below. Let me know the kind of content you want to see. I normally do hair tutorials, baby stuff, single mom stuff. Well, not so much single mom because I know I'm going to be graduating very soon from that department. So not so much single mom stuff, mom stuff in general, mom vlogs. One of the rough ones that you can do. What else can I do with this? I mean, this you can. It's endless. The things you can do with this hair is endless because it's just very lightweight and you can easily manage it. It can be molded and yeah. Janet collection is the bomb. Go check them out, guys. I leave my hair like this now. See, I just pushed it back and it's all respectful like that. Oh, and very earlier on, I had a scarf on it too. Actually, while we're here, can I just show you some scarves that we have on my site? It's designed by Jandal Designs, Jandal Collections. I always mix the two. I'm going to bring a few and style it with this hair. I think it will be so great to style it with this hair. I'm just going to turn around for you to see. This is what I do when I'm going to sleep, okay? I just, to get it out of the way, this is how I style it to go to sleep. I just put it up a little bit, just so it's manageable, it's able to get in the bonnet. I put it up like this. This is how I have it when I'm going to shower and I'm going to sleep. And thank you so much to Jandal Designs. Now I have a link in the description box for you if you want to get one of these. Let me turn it to the back so you see. Neat. This is from Jandal Design. So when I have all black or all white outfits. Oh, how did I do it last night? Okay, yeah, this works. I've shown you this before. I've brought this to you before. So it's a see? Then I have something different. So even if this hair is old and I haven't changed the style, I could style it up with the Jandal hair bonnets. And it's 3-in-1. So we have this, we have the bonnet itself, lined bonnet, and we have a brooch. It comes in the same colors. I think I just picked them quickly. So it comes in the same color. So this one will normally come with the bonnet, the brooch, and the scarf itself. What do you think, guys? I'm loving it. Now, but you can pull this off. You can have so many styles with it. Where's the brooch? I forgot to do this. You know how I put this up like this? Look at that. 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 And it just transforms you, you know. So with these two things that I have brought to you today, Janet collection that I am so in love with, and Jandal Design, the JJs, I love the two J's, Jandal Designs and Janet collection. They are going to have me for the summer. I am all for it, all for them. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I just thought I'll bring you these styles. Seeing as we are going into summer, you may want to be changing up your style, zhuzhing up your style. So I just thought I'll bring you this. And if you want to get this hair, I'm going to leave a link in the description box for you. I'll leave a link to the site where you can get Jandal Designs. And very soon you'll be getting Janet collection on there as well. So guys, thank you very much for 12,000 subscribers. Again, I appreciate you all so much. I really, really, really love to be here. And so I'm going to bring you more content that you will love. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.